Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sumant Latest Tech. Today we are going to unbox Firebolt Bluetooth calling featured round-dial smartwatch. I have brought this from Flipkart for 4,500 rupees at the first sale itself. So let's unbox this first. Then the main feature of this round-dial smartwatch is Bluetooth calling in budget. So in this budget we are not getting Bluetooth calling option, so this is the main feature they are highlighting. So let's get into the video and watch this video till the end, and I'm going to link this with Dafit application. So let's get started. So let's unbox this. As you can see, the packing is very good from Flipkart. As you can see, it is very good. The delivery protection is very good from Flipkart packing. As you can see, the smartwatch packing is so nice. Firebolt Bluetooth calling full touch smartwatch with SpO2 tracking. And this is the invoice in detail. I will keep it aside and let's get unboxed this. So this is silver color which I have brought. As you can see. Let's open this box. This is the box with all the details mentioned here. As you can see, the back side of this box, it looks so good. This is round-dial smartwatch. This is the user manual and guide, and here you can see the charging cable. This is magnetic charging cable, as you can see. And here we can see the watch itself. This looks so good. The watch looks so good. This is the Firebolt Bluetooth calling smartwatch with round dial. It looks so good. Now let's keep all the things aside and I will show the preface of this watch. And in the box we are getting Firebolt warranty card. Here you can see the warranty card from Firebolt. And here we have the Bolt Play membership also from Firebolt. Here we can see we are getting 1 month free G5 subscription also with this, and again we are getting the 3 months free Gaana membership also. Here you can see all these we are getting in this watch contents itself, and these are the box contents which you are getting. And here we can see this is the watch. Now I am going to on this, and here you can see the watch is turned on. The dial looks so good. Here you can see the steps, heart rate, exercises, and here we have the Bluetooth calling option also. Here you can see this is the Firebolt smartwatch. Here you can see steps, sleep time, and heart rate, exercise, phone call, and BP, blood pressure, SpO2, and weather, and shutter, player, and many things we have in this watch. I will connect this watch with the Dafit application. I will show the process step by step. Watch this video entirely and don't skip the video. For this smartwatch you have to download Dafit application from Play Store. As you can see, I have already installed this application, open, and you have to give all the permissions and you have to log in with your Google account. And here you can see this is the app preface, and here you have to click to add. Here you can see the device is searching. It found BHW004. This is our smartwatch. Very simple. The watch is now been connected to this application. Here we can see the watch battery percentage, have watch faces, notifications, alarms, shutter, favorite contacts, others, and software update. First we will go to software upgrade only. Here you can see this is the latest version of this watch, and here you can see our profile, our steps, and Google Fit also. Blood saturation, BP, heart rate, sleep, and steps, everything is there in this application. Here we can see the watch faces of this watch. Click on more. Here you can see there are many watch faces for this watch. You can simply download and sync to your smartwatch. Now this looks very good, and we can store internally 5 smart wallpapers inside the smartwatch. Here you can see the notifications and alerts. You have to just tap all of this. You have to give all the permissions for this. I'm giving permissions to all these apps. Just simply turn on the notifications needed. Yeah, I have enabled the notifications which I need. From here you can set the alarms also. And here you can see the favorite contacts also. I have added 2 of my friends. Now we will just call them via smartwatch, and we will listen to whether the call quality is good or not. I will test that also. Here you can see others also. Find device, time format, unit system. Here you can see do not disturb, reminders, continued heart rate, language, view, drink water reminder, weather, and all. Every feature is available in this watch. Here you can see. Now let's check the calling feature. This is the main motto of the smartwatch, Bluetooth calling. So let's call and check the call reception and signal quality and audio quality of the smartwatch. Now let's check the calling feature of the smartwatch. Now I will call one of my friend, and let's see how the call quality is there. So what's it? As you can see, the call quality from my friend is saying it's good, and some noise is being heard from backside. It's okay. As you can see, the Bluetooth calling works fine. As you can see, this is the live demo. I haven't told him that I'm going to call him. It's just a random call. As you can see, these are the 3 features in the phone app from the smartwatch. It's recent call, dial pad also you can get. You can dial to anyone. So you can see that. Now I'm going to make another audio call from this Bluetooth smartwatch. So let's see. As you guys can see, the strap quality is so good. This is silver color which I have ordered. As you can see, the back side audio of this watch, and this is the speaker. This is very loud. As you can see, this is very loud. And this is the apps we are getting in this watch. Also we are getting clock. As you can see, the blood pressure, brightness levels. As you can see, vibration also you can disable or enable if you need. Notifications, you can see the blood pressure. As you can see, this watch consists of 7 workout modes. As you can see, running, walking, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball and football. Only 7 workout modes are available in this watch. As you can see, this is not more than a smartwatch. This is more than a fitness band plus smartwatch, as you can see. But you will be slightly disappointed. You get only 7 workout modes. But Bluetooth calling feature is amazing in this watch. As you can see, no other company smartwatches are having this feature. This is 1.23 inch IPS LCD display, as you can see. But this is so good as I'm using now. The battery percentage, everything, the notification center, weather. As you can see, the weather is also good. Weather information, weather forecast. Yeah, completely. This is the overall package for the budget of 4,500. You're getting Bluetooth calling feature and some smart features in this application. As you can see, the DAFIT application is also good. As you can see in linking process, and you can customize your watch face settings also. As you can see, as for your wish, you can change these watch faces, and I have given these links in the description. From there you can go and check out, and comment below which feature you like the most in this watch. And I recommend, if you need Bluetooth calling, this is the best budget 5V smartwatch you can buy from Flipkart. I have got this for 4,500. Now I think it is 5,000 with some card offers. It is worth buying this smartwatch. Yeah, this is my honest full review of this Firebolt smartwatch. If you like this video, do comment your favorite feature of this watch and share this video with your friends who are interested in tech. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, Sumant Latest Tech. Meet you in my next unboxing and review video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.